So the door. Hello everybody. So I'm on the phone with DoorDash. I dropped off one of my order, right? I said complete the order, and then all the orders disappeared, right? And right after I completed my first order, I contact DoorDash right away, and the lady saying, "What are you saying? You on video right now to my 5,000 people on my YouTube channel. Will you please explain to them why I cannot deliver this order?"
As I can check, you have accidentally marked the order as completed without actually delivering the order, and due to that, the customer has already contacted support and reported the order as never delivered and got the refund for it. Hence, I am unable to revert the status back as not delivered and give you the address of the customer due to our policies.
Okay, but I have the order. I have the order. I want to deliver it. Well, and I don't. And if I don't deliver the order, I'm going to get a strike on my account, and I don't want to get terminated. Okay, and this already happened once today, and I can't afford for this to happen again. So I don't know.
I completely understand.
I can't afford to lose my job. Okay, I over some stupid a little bit of food. I can't afford it. You know. I want.
As I was saying, I understand your concern, and regarding this, I can share an email with you. I would request you to please share your complete experience, your side of the story on that email and file an appeal so that the concerned team can check into it and get back to you. And I would also like to share the team will not terminate you before completely investigating the situation.
Because look, we were right here. This is literally where we dropped off the pizza order. I say we are literally at the apartment complex where we dropped off the pizza. Really, we haven't even left the piece where we dropped off the pizza order. You know, the Pizza Unplugged order.
I understand.
And then we
But they said that we delivered that, right?
Yeah, we did deliver the Pizza Unplugged. Why are we having problems like confirming where we at? Because usually even if we say complete order and we are not at the location, it says go to location. So we can't like complete the order unless we at the customer house. So that doesn't even make any sense. How did we complete the order? Because usually we can't even complete the order even on accident unless we at a customer house.
What?
I'm really very sorry, but since the order is already marked as delivered, I am unable to provide you the customer's address.
Well, I guess we could take this back to the restaurant.
Should we take the food? What should we do with this food?
You can take the order back to the restaurant, or you can dispose it off. And I will share an email with you. Please follow through that and file an appeal so that you can share your side of the story so that it won't affect you that much, and the team can look into it with your side of the story.
Okay, because I'm upset because I'm trying to do this job, and it's just everything is messing up, and we can't afford to lose this job.
I completely understand. I would feel the same if I were at your place, and I completely understand your frustration, your emotions, everything. And as I was saying, I will share an email with you so you can file an appeal through that, sharing your side of the story, so that the concerned department, the team can check it with your side of the story, so that won't affect you that much. And the team will get back to you as soon as they check it for you.
Okay.
Okay. So is there anything else apart from this I can help you with?
No, I guess not.
I understand. Thank you so much for contacting DoorDash. I hope
this already happened earlier today, and I don't understand how it happened twice in the same day, and I don't understand what's going on. So.
I can understand, but since these were batched orders, like 2 orders at the same time, it might have happened that you tried to complete the pizza's order and it happened accidentally and you didn't got to know about it.
They were attached?
Yeah, there was 2 orders attached, and then I don't know what happened.
Oh no, so basically once I say complete an order, it might like act like it didn't complete an order, but it was actually the second order?
Yeah, it might have been the completing the second order. I don't even know.
That sounds really confusing and kind of dangerous.
Yeah, I know. I know.
And because my mom was just in a car accident today, and she felt really kind of shooken up, and she said that she trusted someone, and she shouldn't have trusted them, and ended up getting a car crash.
I know.
I understand. May I help you with anything else?
No.
But I'm just really sad that the
Yes?
customer didn't get their food.
I completely understand, but customer did got the complete refund for this order because of the never delivered fault. I would request you to please do not worry much and fill out the appeal form so that we can check it for you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I hope your day gets better.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.